Welcome students. In this video we will do some questions on arithmetic progression. This is the third video of the arithmetic progression playlist for class 10 on my channel. The channel name, the playlist name and the video number is visible to you on the screen. The first question which we are going to discuss here is which term of the AP 53, 48, 43 is the first negative term. So students, we don't know at which position the first negative term will come, but we know some things. We know that the first term of this AP is A, which is 53. We know that the value of D, which is the second term minus the first term, is minus 5. It is a decreasing AP. The terms will go on decreasing. So there will be a term which will be negative. Now I want to know what is the position, which is the term. So let the nth term be the first negative term. So let me write the expression for the negative nth term. That means Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1D. And if it has to be negative term, then what is the logic? Logic is this should be less than 0. So an inequation will get formed. And I have already uploaded a video for solving linear inequations on my channel. So refer the playlist on class 10 linear inequations and play that video. Then come back to this video, you'll understand how to solve the linear inequation. So let us continue here. 53, A is 53 plus n minus 1. I want to know n, so n minus 1 as it is. D value is minus 5, less than 0. So let me simplify this. Minus 5n plus 5 less than 0. So minus 5n is less than minus 58. Now I will divide by a negative quantity to get n here. So we know the rule that dividing by a negative quantity reverses the inequality. So I get here 11 3 by 5. N should be more than 11 3 by 5. This implies that n is equal to 12. That means the 12th term will be the first negative term. Okay, let us do one more question. You have to find the 31st term of an AP. Which AP? Whose 11th term is 38. So 11th term is A11, that is A plus 10D's value is given as 38. And A6, the 6th term is A plus 5D is given as 73. Now how I am getting all this? Already we have discussed an, the nth term, or Tn, the nth term, is given by the formula A plus n minus 1D. So the 11th term will be A plus 10D. Sixth term will be a plus 5d. Third will be a plus 2d. Fourth term will be a plus 3d. Nth term will be a plus n minus 1d. Like that. Simple. Now you have got simultaneous equations. Two equations you have got, 1 and 2. You have to solve for a and d. Just subtract them. You will see a will get cancelled and you will be left with 5d equal to sign of the bigger and the difference you will take. Out of 13, 8 goes 5, then 6 is left, so minus 35. Now 8, 5, 13, okay, and 3, yes, correct. So d is equal to minus 7. You put this d minus 7 in any one of the equations, you will get the value of a. So a is 38 plus 70, that is 108. So find the 31st term. The 31st term is the question. So a plus 30d. Once a and d are known to you, you just feed the values after solving the equations. So I get 108 minus 210, sign of the bigger and difference of the 2. From 10 take away 8, you get 2. You take, so this is 102. So continue watching the videos, continue subscribing, continue promoting. For more videos, for more uploads, please subscribe so that you keep getting the notifications. Bye bye. Good day. Good luck. Thank you.